Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is about positive or negative development. The question states, in their advertising, businesses nowadays emphasize that their products are new in some way. Why is this? Do you think it is a positive or a negative development? Okay. Now we have to discuss if it is a positive or a negative development. Let me know in the comment below if you think this is a positive or a negative development. The question is about businesses and advertisement. So we can say, why do businesses need advertisement? So in our introduction we can write down, businesses need constant innovation. For every product that they put out, they are in need of constant innovation because their competitors are also launching different products. So for example, two companies, Apple and Samsung, both launch new phones. Their product lines are different in terms of the fact that they use two different softwares, iOS and Android, but they are still competing for the same customer base and they want to maximize their customer base. That's why they need constant innovation. Small changes are advertised as cutting edge. How often do you see that companies make small changes to their product line and they advertise them as big changes or magnanimous changes? Changes that are cutting edge, but that is not often the case. So, for example, in Apple iPhone 14, there is something called Dynamic Island, which, if you touch the pill itself, it maximizes into a small screen. This has been advertised as a highly big change. It has been advertised as a big change, but that is not the case. Now, what are the reasons for this advertisement? The first one is companies want to increase their customer base. Of course, the more the customer base, the higher the sales, the bigger the profits, right? And that's what companies want to do. Second is corporations feel advertisement provide uniqueness to their product. Now, certain corporations feel that if their products are, advertised somehow, it creates a uniqueness. So, for example, if PepsiCo is advertised by a famous actor or by a famous model, then they feel that it is unique. But that is not the case. The product is still the same. It is a beverage only. There is no uniqueness about the product. Now, what are the negative developments? I think this is a negative development. Now, you can say this is a positive development, but in my view, this is a negative development. Why? Because companies create false advertisements. How often do you see companies, advertise their product as long lasting? But that is not the case. Sometimes the product is so brittle, it is so bad that it gets destroyed within 2-3 months. This happens with clothes a lot. You see the product, you see the photographs on Instagram or Facebook, and you think that this looks very nice. But when the product comes into your house, you feel that the quality is not there. It's got wrinkles, the cloth is not soft enough for your likeness, and the cloth is not soft enough for your body type, and it is not good. Secondly, local products can be superior. Local products can be superior. There are many people who do not have the means to advertise their products, but they can make superior quality of products. So, for example, in my hometown, my local tailor stitches great suits. He's always in demand, but he never advertises his product because good products advertise themselves, and that's why he has got a huge customer base despite not having advertised his product on radio, TV, or any other means. So this was IELTS writing task 2. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Please comment down below. And if you think that you have a different perspective, please write that down as well. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button